सर हो गया.
So what will be the new position?
Sir, A dash is 2, 3.
Okay.
B dash is 2 comma 5.
So A dash is 2 3. B dash is, what is B dash?
2 comma 5.
Uh, 2 comma
5.
okay.
Sir,
Next
C
is
dash is 4 comma 5.
4 comma 5. And D is
So D dash 4 comma 3.
4 comma 3. Okay. So you have applied this translation in x and y direction by 2 and 3 respectively. So you will easily see you are performing this change. That means A was at 0 comma 0. Now what you are doing, you are adding 2 to 0 and 3 to 0 to get the new position of A, that is 2 comma 3. Similarly, with the B, C and D, you have to add 2 comma 3, 2 in x direction with the x and 3 with the y. So this coordinate of the B is 2 comma 0 comma 2. In original shape, in original object, it is 0 comma 2. So you are going to add 2 in x direction, so 0 plus 2, and add 3 with the 2, that means 5. 2 is added with the y unit 3, so you will get 2 comma 5. So this operation is the same operation you have to perform with all the points, because it is a square, it may be rectangle, it may be any other object. And if object having number of points, so, or we can say object is a collection of points, so you have to perform this same operation with all the points. Okay, it is very easy to understand what is translation. Now translation you can describe. Okay, and you also perform, you can get the result. But the concept in which we have to we want to, we don't want to this calculation with each and every point. So what we have to do, you have a matrix of original AB. So you have how many points? ABCD 4 points. So suppose you are starting from this side, A, B, C, D. Okay, so A coordinate is what? 0 comma 0, and you can understand this is x and this is y. Now B is what? 0 comma 2. C is what? 2 comma 2.
2 comma 2.
And D is 0 comma 2 comma 0. Okay, this is the object coordinates you can put in matrix format. And plus what, you have to add tx 2 and ty 3. So you have to add this to this matrix. Okay, and you will get the new position x dash, b dash, f dash, b dash, c dash and d dash. It's very tough to write with the mouse. So it is not a complete matrix format. We will see how we will work with the matrices. Okay, if in next class we will see homogeneous coordinate system, and then we will apply the main matrix formula, so that we can perform the whatever changes we want to perform in terms of position, in terms of orientation, or in terms of size at the same time. That means for each and every point we do not have to individually perform the same task. Okay. So this is about translation. I think this is clear to all. If you have any one of you have any doubt, you can clear it right now. Okay. So tell me. Now this is time.
No doubts.
Already given that initially in starting I will tell you or describe the concept, and after that you have to ask the question or you have to describe. Okay. So you all have total 14, 13. So first of all, tell me, have you got this concept, transformation and then translation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sure.
Acha.
Yes, sir.